ये आपका पहला बच्चा है? मतलब और बच्चे हैं?
बच्चे तो मर जाते हैं।
मतलब?
Hello everyone, this is your host Ishika Agarwal from School of Communications, Exam University, and welcome back to another episode of Reeling Credits. Today, we are diving into the chilling world of Marathi film Welcome Home, directed by Pushkar Mahabal, is based on a true story. This movie takes us on a spine-tingling journey that expertly blends horror element with a gripping storyline. Released in 2020, it offers a unique narrative that promises to keep you at the edge of your seat. So, let's explore what makes Welcome Home a must-watch for horror enthusiasts. Welcome Home is not your typical horror film. It is a psychological thriller with a twist. The story revolves around two teachers, Anuja and Neha, who are sent to survey the dropout rates of the schoolgirls in a remote village. As they enter a seemingly ordinary house, they quickly realize that things are not what they seem. The film masterfully unravels the mystery behind the eerie happening within the house, leading to a shocking revelation that challenges our understanding to fear and survival. One of the standout aspects of Welcome Home is its subtle yet effective use of horror.
अच्छा सुन, मैं दादा को फोन करके बता रही हूँ कि मैं तेरे घर पे नहीं।
The film does not rely on jump scares or cheap tricks. Instead, it creates an atmosphere of dread and suspense, though its haunting setting and disturbing character interaction. The psychological horror elements are beautifully interwoven into the narrative, making the audience question the lines between the reality and illusion. This approach not only enhances the horror experience but also adds depth to the storyline. Cinematographer plays an important role in amplifying the horror element of Welcome Home. Cinematographer Sanjay Memne has done an excellent job of capturing the claustrophobic and unsettling atmosphere of the house. The use of dim lighting, tight frames and strategic camera angles create a sense of confinement and paranoia, immersing the audience in the character's terrifying experience. Each shot is meticulously crafted to heighten the tension and convey the emotional turmoil of the protagonist. The sound design and the music by Megdeep Bose significantly contribute to the film's eerie ambience. The background score complements the suspenseful movement, elevating the horror quotient without overpowering the scenes. The use of silence is particularly effective, allowing the audience to feel the weight of the characters' fear and uncertainty. Every creak, whisper and ambient sound is carefully placed to enhance the film's chilling atmosphere. The performances in Welcome Home are nothing short of exceptional. Lead actresses Kashmira Irani and Shraddha Tigle delivers powerful performances that brings authenticity to their role.
Sir, I can.
Their portrayal of fear, resilience and vulnerability is both convincing and compelling. Supporting actors like Sashi Bhushan and Bolram Das add depth to the story with their nuanced performances, making the film an engaging watch from start to finish. Beyond its horror element, Welcome Home explores theme of survival, abuse and the dark side of the human nature. It delves into the psychological impact of trauma and the length people will go to protect themselves from their fears. The house itself serves as a symbol of entrapment and despair, representing the characters' internal struggle and the societal issue they face.
इसीलिए तो मैं दादा भी अगर मेरे को मारता है ना, तो मैं मम्मी को जाकर नहीं बताती। उल्टा वो मेरे को ही बोलती कि तू सरल भागत जा ना।
This layered storytelling adds a thought-provoking dimension to the film, encouraging viewers to reflect on the underlying messages long after the credit rolls. In conclusion, Welcome Home is a standout Marathi film that successfully combines horror, thriller, and drama into a captivating narratives. Its atmospheric storytelling, strong performances, and thought-provoking themes make it a must-watch for a fan of the genre. Director Pushkar Mahabal has crafted a film that not only entertains but also challenges our perception of fear and humanity. So, if you are looking for a horror film that offers more than just scars, Welcome Home would definitely be on your watch list. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the haunting world of Welcome Home. If you have seen the film, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment below, and if you haven't, grab some popcorn, turn off the light and prepare for the thrilling ride into the unknown. Until the next time, stay curious, keep exploring the world of the cinema, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.